Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 twin cylinder retro cafe style. Really cool bike. Only 1,200 miles on this awesome fuel injected liquid cooled Triumph 1200 twin. I love those fork gators up on the front. Bar end mirrors. It's got the megaphone exhaust. This thing is very torquey. Come on by, make your retro torque monster dreams come true for just $10,999. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.